All right, here's the video of the ear. Over here, the external ear is referred to as the peduncle or the ora. Here you have the external auditory meatus, which comprises the external ear. So the external ear is the external auditory meatus and the pinna. When you get to the end of the external auditory meatus, you run into this, which is the tympanic membrane. It separates the external ear from the middle ear. Here on top of the tympanic membrane, you can see the malleus. The malleus directly contacts the tympanic membrane and moves superior here. On the backside, to the backside of the orange line, floating is the inca. So if I take it out and set it down, you have the malleus and the incus right here. The third ossicle is up here, and that is the stapes. The last structure in the middle ear here is this tube, which is known as the pharyngeotympanic or the eustachian tube. Right. So just to review so far, pinna, external auditory meatus, tympanic membrane, malleus, incus, stapes, and eustachian tube. So then we move on to the inner ear here, which is comprised of two main structures. You have the snail-shaped cochlea, and then you have the vestibular apparatus. The vestibular apparatus has two parts. It has the vestibule, which is the bulbous part at the bottom, and then the semicircular canals, which are these three tubes here. The cochlea does hearing, and the vestibular apparatus does balance. Then out of the back, you have the vestibular cochlear nerve. It has two portions. The wrinkly part here, the part with the lines, is the cochlear portion. And this portion here that's smooth is the vestibular portion. The whole thing sits inside the petrous portion of the temporal bone.